Back at Wells Quick Tips and Tricks, and our cucumber is ready to be harvested. It's grown pretty big, it's fresh and yummy. Time to harvest. Our first cucumber harvest. Yep, it's pretty pokey and thorny, but I'm sure it's going to be yummy. There are a few more which are coming up. Here, other ones getting ready, and a few more hidden. Try this at your home. Try to grow cucumbers. Another one here. Lots of them are hidden. You hardly notice them. Try it. It's very satisfying to eat fresh cucumbers. Thank you. Enjoy. So we are harvesting our leafy greens today. This is lettuce grown very well within 2 weeks from saplings. So harvesting the outer leaves first and leaving the inner ones. Oh, somebody's already eaten this.
Take this one also, no one.
And one more. Don't. This is our next harvest, next bag which we had. This is a bit smaller because compost was a bit less. But we are learning. Yep. Smaller leaves, less compost, smaller leaves as compared to this. So this is the difference. The left one I put more compost, right one less compost. So the more you feed it, the more fruits you get. And now for celery, we've grown 2 plants. Harvest time. This is the first one, and now for the second one.
Keep only that middle one.
Yeah, so these are all our celery leaves. Smells nice and fresh and yummy. And kale also will harvest. Earlier we already harvested a few.
The more you harvest,
the more they grow.
yes,
But you have to leave some leaves on so that
they breathe.
they can generate nutrients from the sun. Okay. Now for the chilies. A few chilies we got this time. 1, 2, and where's the third one?
This
Here.
one, yeah.
3. Now for the spring onions, we had put 4 spring onions, 1 died. So we'll harvest these. It's good to top it up while eating. Yeah. So here's our full harvest for the day today. Rigid good. We've removed 2 cucumber, roses, Chinese rose. Lovely.
To make this one, pakoras.
Salad leaves, celery, chilies, and spring onions. Not much, but it's a good start. And here, kale. And this is the harvest, all in the basket. Looks lovely with all the colors, greens and the reds and the pinks. Thank you.
Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick Cooking Channel, and today I'm going to do quick, fast and instant salad of our harvest, that is our homegrown vegetable. So what I'm going to use is the cucumber, then some salad leaves, these are all homegrown, then some celery. Parsley we could not get, we already ate, and some green chilies are there. These are also from our plants, and then this is spring onions. Then I'll be adding fried kale and few nuts, then yellow pepper, orange pepper, red pepper, and some mango water pickle, that is plain water mango pickle, some coriander, some lime juice, and little bit of olive oil. So first we'll wash this. So first thing, we will cut this. So tender, and scrape this. We want the skin. Then we will cut it in round. So very crunchy it is and juicy. Salad leaves. It's a joy when you grow your own veggies and then you make out of it. Then celery. Everything is tender. Then our chilies will put last. Greens. So no onion, but onions, greens I'm putting. And then we'll cut this chilies. They're not spicy. Quick and easy salad this is. Then you. So now this one I had kept it in salt and water like a pickle. The seeds. Tasty. Very tasty. And this raw mango, some cilantro, that is coriander. Then we'll add our salt to this. Then nuts however you want. And we'll add our kale also. Few we will have just directly. Okay. Add this to give a nutty flavor. Then we'll add our lime juice to this. And our olive oil. So any olive oil. Toss this all together and salad is ready. Enjoy this yummy, quick, easy, crunchy, nutty salad. Thank you so much. Devare karo.
Here it is, lovely nutty green salad. All the greens are from a harvest. Fresh, yummy, tasty. Enjoy. So here is our fourth harvest of ridge gourd. This one has become pretty big and we want to eat it tender. So we'll harvest this today and we'll let the other one grow. We have one coming here, another here, and one down. Yeah. So today harvest day. Pretty big. Almost 1 foot. So here's the update on our cucumber, which is growing pretty well. Still more coming up over here, small ones, baby cucumbers. Lots of fresh vegetables to eat, and salad leaves are doing pretty well here. Flourishing. This is another one. Okay, thank you.